Everything you were told about growing on YouTube no longer works in 2026. And if you're still using old advice, that's exactly why your channel feels stuck. Let me say this clearly. YouTube did not get harder in 2026. It just stopped rewarding the wrong behavior. Most creators right now are doing more than ever. They're posting consistently, they're using AI, they're editing better, they're following trends, yet their views are still low. And that frustration makes people believe YouTube is saturated, shadow ban them, or simply doesn't like small creators. And that's not true. Here's the real problem. In 2026, YouTube is no longer pushing good videos. It's pushing useful videos that keep people watching longer and coming back on the platform. If your video doesn't solve a clear problem quickly, YouTube has no reason to push it. That's the shift. And once you understand this, growth becomes predictable instead of confusing. Now listen closely, because this is where most people mess up. In 2026, YouTube cares about sessions, not just views. A session means someone watches your video, then continues watching more videos on YouTube. If your content doesn't hold attention and lead viewers to stay longer on the platform, then YouTube quietly stops recommending it. This is why your video might get a few views and then die. Not because it's bad, but because it didn't keep people watching long enough. So how do you grow on YouTube in 2026? You follow 4 rules. Rule number 1, YouTube is now a problem-solving platform. Every video must solve one clear problem. Not 5 problems, not your life story, not your YouTube journey, one problem. When someone clicks your video, they should immediately know, this is exactly what I need. That's why titles like My YouTube Experience don't work anymore. But titles like Why Your Videos Aren't Getting Views and How to Fix It, it works extremely well because you're solving a problem for someone that has a problem. And because YouTube is matching search intent, not creativity, which leads to rule number 2. Rule number 2 is retention beats everything in 2026. Subscribers don't matter as much as you think. Likes don't matter as much as you think. Even views don't matter as much as you think. What matters is how long people stay on your video. Most creators lose 40 to 60% of viewers in the first 10 seconds, and that is why their channels don't grow. So your job in 2026 is not to sound nice, it's to keep attention. That means no long intros, no hi guys, welcome back to my channel, no unnecessary backstory. Start with tension, start with a truth, start with a problem. And every 20 to 30 seconds, rehook your viewers. Say things like, this next part is important, or most people get this wrong, or don't skip this. Those small moments, they keep retention high. Rule number 3, small channels must grow through search first. If you're under 5,000 subscribers, stop chasing virality, okay? Virality is unpredictable, search is stable. So search videos answer questions people are already typing in YouTube. Questions like how to get views on YouTube, why my watch hours are not increasing, how to grow on YouTube in 2026. When your video answers a search clearly, YouTube tests it, gathers data, and slowly pushes it. This is how small channels build momentum. One working video is more powerful than 10 random videos, okay? And finally, rule number 4, AI is a tool, not a growth strategy. AI will not save a bad idea. AI will not fix a confusing video, and AI will not create clarity for you. AI only amplifies what you already have. If your strategy is messy, AI makes it messier faster. And if your strategy is clear, AI helps you execute faster. So stop chasing tools and start building system, okay? Here's the punchline. In 2026, YouTube rewards creators who solve real problem, hold attention, and keep viewers watching. If you focus on being useful instead of viral, growth becomes easier. That's how YouTube actually works. For example, go and write the keywords for your niche. Search for the keywords for your niche. You can use ChatGPT, you can do your own Google search and search keywords in your niche. Then take those keywords and put it in Google search, like you're about to search for a video, and then the suggestions that pop up from Google itself, those are the videos you should be making. Those suggestions, just screenshot them and make videos from those suggestions, because that is what people are actively searching for with your niche, because you use the keyword from your niche. So when you do that, you've already solved a problem, because you're making a video answering that question that is being searched on the internet with that keyword. You can also do the same for TikTok. Put the keyword in search, make a screenshot, and make videos solving those problems. And you can do it on YouTube also, but I would advise you use Google search, because Google search is wider. So this is how you get the exact video that is solving a problem and is going to get views, because you are actually solving problem for people. Use this method and you will see tremendous growth in your videos. Okay, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down in the comments. I'll get to them. Also, like, comment, share, subscribe, share this video to somebody that needs this advice, a new YouTuber starting out, or a YouTuber that has been struggling to grow their channel. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.